Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major snowstorm is heading for Thunder Bay, Ontario on Tuesday, December 3rd, 2013, and Wednesday, December 4th, 2013. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in Thunder Bay, Ontario. It's going to be a lot of snow and some strong winds as well, and some blowing snow in the city of Thunder Bay as well. It's going to be lots of snow and some strong winds and reduced visibility. And visibility is going to be reduced. Then have a hard time seeing during the snowstorm because of the intense storm is heading from Calgary, Alberta, and the prairies is heading towards Thunder Bay. It's going to hit Thunder Bay, Ontario on Tuesday, December the 3rd, 2013 until Wednesday, December the 4th, 2013. People in Thunder Bay, Ontario, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. And when you're driving a car, slow down. Take your time driving your car, because the roads can be very slippery and it's snow-covered roads in Thunder Bay, Ontario, especially on Highway 17. So you don't get in a car accident. Drive slow. Be very careful driving the car. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. Turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm in Thunder Bay, Ontario on Tuesday, December 3rd, 2013 until Wednesday, December 4th, 2013. Because it's going to be a 30 plus centimeters of snow in Thunder Bay, Ontario. It's going to be a ton of snow. So have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your salt trucks and sand trucks ready as well. Because Thunder Bay, Ontario is here for a lot of snow. It will also affect Timmins, Ontario, Kapuskasing, Ontario, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Hearst, Ontario, and Wawa, Ontario. It's going to hit Thunder Bay, Ontario, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Timmins, Ontario, Sudbury, Ontario, Kapuskasing, Ontario, and Hearst, Ontario as well. And will also affect Dryden, Kenora, Fort Francis as well. When you're driving a car, slow down. Take your time driving the car so you don't get in a car accident, but the roads will be snow covered and roads will be very slippery. Best luck to you, people in Thunder Bay, Ontario. Be prepared for a snowstorm on Tuesday and Wednesday. Take care and stay safe, and don't get caught in the snowstorm. Be safe.